Welcome to OEMup. From the home page, open CRM and go to the Delivery Order module. Here you'll find all your delivery orders. To raise a new one, click Create. On the Add Delivery Order form, begin by selecting the linked customer order. OEMup automatically carries forward the related details, the contact person, address, consignee, and delivery date, so there's no need to re-enter anything. The items from the customer order are pulled in automatically, each showing its ordered quantity and remaining quantity. For each item, simply enter the delivered quantity. OEMup updates the remaining quantity in real time, helping you track partial and full dispatches accurately. Next, choose the dispatch location from your saved addresses. Now add the transport details, the vehicle number, transporter name, and driver name. OEMup validates entries as you go, for example, prompting you to enter a correctly formatted vehicle number. Add the transporter and driver contact numbers, which are also validated to keep your records clean. Finally, record any special instructions and click Save to create the delivery order. The new delivery order opens in Detail View. You can generate the delivery order PDF produced on your company letterhead with the consignee details, HS codes, quantities, and GST information, ready to accompany the shipment. A proforma invoice can also be generated directly from here. Once the dispatch details are confirmed, mark the delivery order as approved. From the Invoices section, click Add Invoice to bill against this delivery. You can also generate an invoice straight from the delivery order listing using the Generate Invoice option. Back in the delivery order listing, your new order appears with its due PDF, approved status, generate invoice action, and E-Way Bill option all in one place. That's how you can create and process a delivery order in OEMup.